organized. We'll get to it in a second, but look what they did in the city of Detroit. Y'all see the problem?
What?
Y'all see the problem? Seriously.
Huh? What is the problem?
I don't see now.
What is the problem with unity? You gotta be, you antichrist if you hate unity.
Come on.
Endeavoring to keep the unity of the spirit in the bond of peace.
This is in the New Testament. It says you're supposed to endeavor to keep the unity of the spirit in the bond of peace. That's supposed to be a beautiful thing in the sight of man and God.
Right.
When a brother see, if you see that and you got a problem with that, you a devil.
Right.
You against Christ.